Whether you're a professional welder looking to broaden your horizons, or a complete beginner looking to understand the basics of welding, or even a welding instructor seeking unique educational content for your students, this video was created specially for you. As a supplement to our welding white paper, Common Welding Methods and the Use of Laser Illumination in Welding Imaging, this video consists of 4 main parts. Introduction, welding processes, imaging techniques, and objects of imaging. Part 1. Intro. Welding refers to a process in which materials, typically metals or thermoplastics, are joined together using high temperatures to melt the materials to form a joint. Usually a filler material is also melted on the joint to make it stronger. The success of the welding process and the strength of the final product depends on the number of factors, such as the profile of the weld on the joint and the constant even flow of the shielding gas to avoid the oxidization of the melted metals or the filler material. Many of these factors can be imaged to study or track the welding process. Throughout this video, we will show you illustrations, welding footage taken with normal cameras, our welding camera, and high-speed cameras matched with our Cavitar laser illumination, which we will explain in detail in part 3. We hope that you enjoyed this video and you learned something new about welding. By liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing this video on your social media, it will make it easier for us to decide if we should make more similar content in the future. For more information, please visit our website cavitar.com.